The number of ants per acre in the forest is normally distributed with a mean of 45,000 and a standard deviation of 12,327. This distribution with the capital X, it just wants your mean and your standard deviation. To find the probability that a randomly selected acre in the forest has fewer than 53,128 ants, using Excel, we put equals for our formula, and then norm, and you want the regular norm distribution, and what it does is it gives you the percent below, and that's what we're looking for because it says fewer than 53,000 ants. If it wanted more, then you'd subtract by 1. Then you put your number of ants, 53,128. Your mean, 45,000. And standard deviation. And then they want the percent under the curve, the cumulative, and that would be 1. So there's your number. The next one, find the probability that it's between two values. Well, if we put the 60,000 in, it's going to give us everything below. Then if we put the 47,000 in, it's going to give us everything below from here over. So if we subtract the two, it will give us what's in between them. So you want to find both of them and then subtract it. So equals norm. I'm going to do the 60,000 first. 60, comma, 45,000. 123.27 standard deviation and 1. So 0.898 is below there. Now we find this one equals norm. The X value, 47,152. The mean, standard deviation, and 1. And then if you put equals the first one minus the second one and hit enter. And then there's your answer. The last one asks for the quartile. When you're finding the first quartile, they break into quarters, so there's 25% below the first quartile. So we put equals norm, but in this case we have the percent, so you want to use the inverse. And since we know the part below 25%, we use 0.25, comma the mean, comma the standard deviation. Now for this one you don't put a 1. You just hit enter and there's your answer.